Hi to everyone. It's a calculus, function, limits, and graphs. How to find an equation from a graph when the points are given. So let's start. Introduction for any quadratic function. We can draw the graph and find the equation if it is factorizable. For example, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. So let's take an example. X square. So this is a general form of the equation. So this is an example: x square plus 5x plus 6. So I did factorize it. I got two values. In another way, let's say it means that x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2. You can do like this. So the equation must satisfy these two points when we are drawing the graph. So what are the method? What are the general form of the what are the general form of the equation which you can find from the graph? So f of x is equal. So it is like this: y is equal to f of x. So there are certain conditions. The first one, if you are given point L0, so what does it mean? It's mean that the function, for example, if you are given, so if you like given these 2 point L, this is the general form, but minus 3 and 0, 3 and 0. So the graph cut x-axis at minus 3, where the x is minus 3 and the y is 0, and then the other side x is equal to 3 and the y is equal to 0. So this is the general condition. We're gonna find an equation and then you will understand. So another then is the next one. So after that, if we put x is equal to 0 in the function, so it will give us y-intercept like this: 0 and y. It will give us the value of y, which cut the graph at y-axis. That's the second condition when you are going to find the equation from the graph. The third one, so if a is greater than 0, uh, the function, the graph or the parabola are open upward. I use the word graph, but it's actually parabola. If a is less than 0, so this will open down. And for further to complete to draw a complete graph, we need more point. So this is the uh, which we can if the quadratic function is factorizable, then we can use that vector to draw the graph, and we can also find the equation in the form of like this: a x minus l rx minus p and x minus m. So there is an example I want to do in this video, or maybe I can do it in another video. So let's jump to another video, and there I will do an example, practical example. So thank you, and have a nice day.